Following the week that both Bitcoin and traditional investors would like to forget, a semblance of normality has returned to stocks. Today, Bitcoin appears to have halted the slide of the past 7 days and is looking to retest the dollar level. Bitcoin daily chart with 50-day and 200-day accusats. Source: TradingView, calm, but the ongoing threat posed by the coronavirus looks to be accelerating in countries outside of China. CNN reported 6 new deaths in Washington state, along with a surge in diagnosed cases across the US, as well as that the UK is on high alert following the confirmation of 4 new cases. The patients had recently returned from Italy, the epicenter of the largest outbreak in Europe. And much like the US, the UK is experiencing a spike in confirmed cases. Taking this into account, the question on everyone's mind is Bitcoin poised for further drops? Chart of confirmed coronavirus cases in the UK. Source: BBC. Olorado. The correlated asset debate continues a week on from the Dow dropping more than points, the third biggest points drop in its history. Evidence begins to mount that Bitcoin is a correlated asset, as it too suffered a torrid time. The Dow started trading in May 1896. Today was the third worst day ever. But that is in terms of points. If you look at percent loss, it is the 254th worst ever. Still significant, but puts things in perspective. Twitter.com/Rex Beeper Ryan Detrick Saint @Ryan Detrick, February 24, 2020. As such, the narrative that Bitcoin would thrive during times of economic turmoil took a major hit. Indeed, Andreas Antonopoulos recently chimed in on the debate by saying a slowdown would likely see investors shun risky assets, such as Bitcoin, leading to a collapse in its price. Moreover, Antonopoulos took the opportunity to pan the attitude of maximalists, who took delight over the ensuing economic panic. Whereby he reminded everyone that cryptocurrency lacks the scale to serve the world under the conditions of a global meltdown. With that said, analyst CryptoBullet charted both Bitcoin and the S&P. He noted a high degree of correlation between the two, and reasoned that booming economies would exert a trickle-down effect on speculative assets. With the converse also being true, as evidenced by last week's dip on the S&P coinciding with a downturn for Bitcoin as well. BX is not a hedge. If you are wishing for an economic collapse and think your coins will pump, you are terribly wrong. Chart of Bitcoin. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.